children, today is EVS subject. Today's new topic is wild animals. Animals that live in the wild like a jungle or grassland are called wild animals. We can also see these wild animals in a zoo. Children, look at these pictures. Here are some wild animals. Firstly, I will say all the wild animals' names. Giraffe. Giraffe is a tallest animal. It has 4 legs and 1 tail. Bear. Zebra. Zebra has white and black strips on their body. Hippopotamus. Tiger. Lion. This is a king of the jungle. Okay. Lion is the king of the animals. This is deer. And last animal is elephant. It has also 4 legs, 1 trunk and 1 tail. It has big 2 ears. Elephant is a biggest animal on the land. Children, now tell me, which animal is the king of the forest? Yes, lion. So children, circle the king of the forest. Lion is the king of the forest. So you have to circle like this. Okay. Match the animals with their shadows. Children, look at these animals. Lion, elephant, giraffe and bear. Look at the another side. These are the wild animals' shadows. Now children, tell me, where is the lion's shadow? Yes, this is the lion shadow. So you have to match like this. Draw a line to match them. Next is elephant. Where is the elephant shadow? Yes, here. So you have to draw a line. Next is giraffe. Yes, giraffe is the tallest animal. So you can easily match them. And this is the bear. And this is the last animal. So you have to match like this. Okay. Understand, children? Topic is water animals. Animals that live in and around the water are called water animals. Children, look at this pond picture. In the pond, here are some animals. Okay. Duck. Duckling. Duckling means baby of ducks. Okay. And here are some fishes. Frog. These are live in water. So we are called them water animals. Okay. Children, color the fish, the frog and the duck. This is your homework. You have to color fish, frog and duck. Okay. Next homework is trace the waves with blue color. Color the starfish yellow and blue whale blue color. Okay, children. Children, this is the sea water waves. So you have to color with blue for these waves. You have to color with blue crayons for sea water waves. Okay, these 3. Children, color the starfish. Where is the starfish? Yes, this is the starfish. So children, you have to color starfish in yellow. Okay. Next is blue whale. Blue whale color is blue. So you have to color the blue wave in blue color. Okay, children. Next is find the insect. See the key and circle all the insects. Children, look at this key. Here are some insects: ladybird, honeybee, butterfly, and cockroach. Children, look at this picture. Here are some insects. What you have to do? You have to search all the insect given the key. After that you have to circle the same insects. Okay. Children, look at first one is ladybird, and look at this picture. Where is the ladybird? Yes, here is the ladybird. So you have to circle ladybird. Next is honeybee. Where is the honeybee? Yes, here are many honeybees. So you have to circle all the honeybees. Okay. Next one is butterfly. And look at this picture. Where is the butterfly? Yes, here is a butterfly, and here is also a butterfly. So you have to circle like this. Okay. Next is ant. Where is ant? Yes, here are many ants. So you have to circle like this. And last one is cockroach. And where is the cockroach? Yes, here is a cockroach. So you have to circle the cockroach. Okay, children, understand? This topic is night animals. Look at the picture. This is the night time. So children, we can see many stars, moon at night in the sky. Okay. And owl, these are bats. These two birds we can see at night. Owl and bats sleep at daytime and are active at night. So we can see during night time these two birds. Okay. Children, look at this picture. It is grandmother telling a story for her grandson. And here are two animals. Dog is sleeping. And here is another animal. This is rat sitting near the bed. Okay. Children, this is your homework. Circle all the animals you see in it. Where is the animals? Yes, these are animals. So you have to circle dog and rat. These two are birds. Okay, children. Next, circle the things we see only at night. Which things we can see only at night? Yes, star, bat, owl, and moon we can see only at night. Okay, children.